Hello everyone, welcome to French Fried Trains. Today, we're going to be building another Transformer, and we're going to be building Transformers Generation 1 Hot Rod. And he is a retro-futuristic racing car, known for his distinctive big yellow wing spoiler on the back. And this is what it looks like. And over here we see Rodimus Prime, which is his upgraded form, which we did in a previous video, which you can check out on our Transformers Minecraft playlist. So let's get into it. So we're going to start off with the front wheel, so place down a block of coal. On the inside of it, do 3 mangrove top slabs like this, and a block of coal on this side. On the front of it, do 2 rows of 5 mangrove top slabs. Then come behind it, and we're going to do a 5 by 5 of mangrove top slabs behind it. Then behind this, we're going to put 3 slabs in the middle, and a block of coal on each side for the black wheels. Behind that, 2 rows of 5 mangrove top slabs back here. Then we're going to go through and put a stone button on the side of all 4 of these wheels here. Now come on the very front, and we're going to put 5 mangrove trapdoors right here. Then we're going to come on the side and put a red terracotta in front of the wheel here and on this side. In front of that, put a forward-facing mangrove stair on each side, 3 acacia stairs in the middle. Then up here, 2 bamboo slabs on each side and a mangrove slab in the middle. Then take orange concrete and go 3 right here in the middle. Above each of these front wheels, put an upside down mangrove stair. Then we're going to do an orange concrete here, and in the middle 2 blast furnaces. Then an orange concrete on either side of this blast furnace. Then on this outer edge, we'll do 5 red terracotta here, and 5 on this side. And then go ahead and fill this whole middle with red terracotta. Then here we'll put an upside down mangrove stair above each of these back wheels, 3 red terracotta in the middle, and 2 rows of 5 red terracotta behind it here. Then on the second layer of the back, we're going to put a backward facing acacia stair here and here. And now the base layer is complete. Now come up here where the second blast furnace back is. On the top middle, we're going to put 3 cyan stained glass panes coming across like this. And then behind that, go to cyan stained glass blocks and do a 3 by 3 of stained glass blocks. Behind that, 2 rows of 3 red terracotta on the middle. Then 3 backwards facing mangrove stairs here, 3 mangrove trapdoors here. Then 1 trapdoor on the side here and here. In front of this on the side, do 3 mangrove slabs, 2 trapdoors. Repeat here, so 2 trapdoors here, 3 slabs here. Then we're going to come up on top of the front on this other blast furnace because he has an exposed engine block. Crouch and put a skeleton skull right here. Then we'll take bamboo slabs, and we're going to come back here and put 2 on the top middle here. Then on the side, come back 1 and do 2 here like this, and 2 here. Then we're going to come back 1 again and do 2 here, 2 here, and 1 more time come back 1, 2 here, and 2 right here. And actually, we're going to add 1 in the middle here, and then 1 here and here. And now that spoiler piece is done here, and we'll come back and do 2 trapdoors here, 2 in the middle, 2 on that side. Then come up here, and we're going to put a yellow carpet on all 3 sides of that blast furnace like this. Then on this front corner, we're going to put a mangrove button here and a mangrove button here. Then we'll do the exhaust pipe, so right here on the side, a birch fence gate, then stone brick walls coming back to your line with these acacia stairs back here. And then of course repeat on this side. So a birch fence gate here, then stone brick walls coming back till you're aligned with the acacia stairs. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our Minecraft Transformers Generation 1 Hot Rod Vehicle mode. I hope everyone enjoyed this little build here. And remember, if you want to build more Transformers, check out our Minecraft Transformers playlist with an assortment of Transformers vehicles. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.